Njideka, I don't like what you're doing. You're hurting yourself. You can't keep staying up every night, thinking, getting worried unnecessarily. Why are you doing this? You're hurting yourself.
Why have God forsaken me? Why has He decided to make me beg for something He gives to other women freely? Why have He decided to make me beg for something He gives to other women freely? It took me 3 years before I could conceive. I know what I went through. I know what I suffered. I saw a lot before I had Chimaobi, and Chimaobi is 6 years old. Yet there's no sign of any pregnancy.
Njideka, nothing should deprive you of your sleep. Not even what you're worrying about. Because you're not God that gives children. Come on. You need to stop. Okay?
The one job. That one job that we use in sustaining this family, you've lost it. Everything is now on me. Everything now boils down to me. Just tell me a good reason why I should not worry. Tell me.
Njideka, whether you worry or not, it makes no difference. Nothing should take your happiness away. Okay? Listen, you should be happy. Whether you worry or not, it doesn't make any difference. You need to just relax. Please.
Dimpa, a man whose house is on fire does not chase after rats. A woman whose children are not back from the farm at night does not sleep. Sleep has eluded me. I no longer have joy. Can't you see it?
My love, I'm short of words. I don't know what else to tell you. But listen, I strongly believe that you should be grateful to God for 2 reasons. 1, you have Chimaobi. You have a son. There are a million women out there who can't even get pregnant, but you have a son. And secondly, you have a husband who's very supportive, who doesn't stress you about having more children. And speaking about a job, I'm going to find one. Okay? I will find one. You don't have to worry about me. I'm a man. I'll go out there and look for a job. I'll look for something to do. I don't mind driving a lorry or doing menial jobs. If I have to do all of that to feed my family, then I'll be very proud of it. Okay? Listen, we can channel all of this energy into making a baby. Yes. We can make a baby. We can try again. We can keep trying. We can even start tonight.
When did they, baby? For?
It's been a long time.
My sister.
You're still in this village?
Yes, bro. Thank you,
I've not seen you in a very long time. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I've been going to farm now. The farming season.
How's your husband? It's been a long time. I was wondering, did you leave this village? I don't see that.
Family friends now.
Where are you going to with the program?
I'm going to go to the farming season is almost coming to an end. Yeah, so I need to look for something to support the family financially. So I'm hungry in one country. So I got a cleaning job at the house.
Yeah? It's a game. Which is a game?
How many is the game? This time is the game in this village.
The very is a game that we all know.
Of course.
As in that he goes. I don't understand. Your husband allowed you work for that kind of thing. And this serious what you're doing.
What do you mean your husband allowed you to work?
You don't understand. My sister, it's okay. It's not what's happening. It's not your mouth to hear anything. Okay, no problem.
Wait!
No.
We are talking. Explain to me.
No, we are not talking, my sister. Have a good day.
No. Wait now. So explain this thing to me now. You know what you're saying. I'm only going there to work. What can you do?
Good morning, sir.
Why are you late?
I'm very sorry, sir. It was not intentional. My son started running fever this morning, so I had to attend to him before coming out. Please, I'm sorry. It will not happen again.
Hope it doesn't happen again.
Sir. I'm sorry.
I brought out some dirty cloth here. Make sure you clean everywhere.
Okay, sir.
And when going, make sure you lock my gate.
I will, sir.
Make sure you lock my gate.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I stand by. One thing must kill a man. One thing must kill a man. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy this life.
Temperature again. Oh, I thought the fever subsided now before I left the house. Okay. See what you will do. Just take off his shirt. Get a warm water. Soak a towel in it, and really enough to just see how we are clean his body. It will calm down. See, the thing is that my boss gave me some clothes to wash for him. I'm washing the clothes. If not, I would have been done. But once I'm done, I will start coming back to the house. Please, after cleaning his body, rub him that udake. Tell you udake ofuma. Chimobi, what kind of fever is this one?
Honestly, Afoma, should be told, throughout my stay at Nze Gabe's house today, I was not myself. I was just pondering on what you told me early this morning when I was going to work. I was having a flashback. I told myself, I said, there is no way I will go to my house without seeing you. So you explain. Thank God I even saw you here, because I said I was going to come to your house. What were you trying to say this morning?
I'm shocked too. I'm very surprised. You're the only one that does not know he's a he-goat too. What is he-goat? A dog.
He-goat.
No, dog. I say dog, not he-goat, because goat is even good. I don't understand how you don't know.
See, to be honest with you, I have always respected that man. I have always seen him as a responsible man.
Responsible? Where?
Honestly.
Responsibility where? See, let me tell you, if they're looking for irresponsibility, what he looks like, you see those things, that thing between that man's leg, the picture, put it beside irresponsibility. Bam, that's the picture of irresponsibility.
Is Yoko?
That man, nothing concern responsibility with that man. He does not know anything. I don't think he has ever heard that word responsibility before. I don't know how you've not. So you want to tell me that since you've been working for that man, he has not asked you out? He has not.
I'm telling.
Nothing. No anyhow movement.
Not really, Iwata, but there was something he did one day.
I stand by. One thing must kill a man. One thing must kill a man. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy this life. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to flex my life. Allow me to enjoy myself. 'Cause I got the money and I like enjoyment.
Did you see any money on top of that table in the parlor this morning?
Money, kwa? Yes. No, I did not see any money.
Don't worry, you can continue what you are doing. Eh? I'll see you later.
Anything you want, I go do. Nze God, Ojukwu atwafia kai oga welu kere wayodo ife de nangada ye mekwegibe ife do nangada ye mekwegibe.
Honestly, see, that very day, I just knew that somebody was standing beside me.
Okay.
Because I was sweeping, I just felt it as a human being, and somebody was standing beside me. Only for me to stand up, it was in Gabe.
Okay.
And then I was wondering, I was looking at him, maybe he wanted me to do something for him. He didn't say anything. Right. The next thing he used as a cover-up is that there was the money he left in the living room that he was looking for. And let me just be honest with you. The reason I went to work for that man was because I needed to feed my family. Honestly, I saw a signpost in front of his gate that he's looking for somebody that would do menial job for him, clean and do. And I applied in person. Okay. Then when I get there, he picked me and I started working for me. That is all. I have never ever thought in my head, all these things you're saying, I'm just hearing it for the first time.
Serious?
I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm shocked he has not even said anything, because that man that I know, that we know, not I, we know. I've been thinking, I said, why has that man not made advances at me? Like, why has he not pushed?
Or
maybe he's waiting. He's waiting for the right time, if you ask me. Maybe there's a particular something he's waiting to happen before he will do it.
Right time?
Yes.
Or let's just say, he knows I'm a married woman. I'm not a... he even said that he wanted a single girl to come and do the work I'm doing. But then I was able to convince him.
Go and sit down there. Married woman where? Which married? Look at this one. Somebody that's a woman that lost her husband yesterday, you slept with her today. Who is you that you are married? You that your husband is still alive. It will soon enter, my sister. I said anything that looks like a woman that has hole, plug it in. He has entered. He will enter. Just relax.
Hey!
I'm sure he will come. What is marriage? You think it's that small thing that you're holding your hand? Oh, my sister. I will just tell you, be careful. And you did not hear anything from me.
Hey, now.
You did not hear anything from me.
My love, I did not hear anything. Say, I need to start rushing.
No problem.
Start going home. I need to go and make something for my family.
Just be careful.
Manu, thank you very much for this information.
Manu,
bye-bye.
Hey! Only marriage. Now you first marry. They also hang your leg, I know.
Hey! What happened to him? What happened? Did the fever start again?
It started again, but this time it got worse. He's running serious temperature.
Hey! Babe, his body is very hot, but we need to take him to the hospital.
Hospital? How now? What do you mean hospital? Don't you know
what do you mean hospital? If we don't want to work with him, what do you mean hospital? We have to take him. You want us to be looking at him like this?
Let's try the chemist first. At least those doctors. Let's try the chemist first. At least those vendors, some of them are doctors and their drugs are affordable. We can't afford to go to the hospital now. You know the situation of things. Huh?
Chimobi. Nah. Can you hear me? Chimobi. He is not responsive. We need to take him to the hospital now. He's not
panicking now. Stop it now. What's wrong with you? You can't go to the hospital now. Let's go to the chemist first.
Let's go now. Stop panicking. Relax. This is the only shot I have of him. Let's go.
Show me the really where you are. All the go here, the canio. It's really where you are. All the go here, the canio. Father, in the name of Jesus, Father, I commit my son Chimeobi unto your hand, O Lord. Father, I ask that you give him a perfect healing. Father, I do not have any money to take him to the hospital. Lord, you are the only person that I have. I ask that you heal my son. Heal my son. Heal my son. Oh God, that is seated on the throne in heaven. I ask you that you grant my son a perfect healing. Lord, no weapon fashioned against my son shall prosper, and every tongue that rises against him shall be off. Father, Lord, I ask that you heal my son. Father, every eyes of the evil one upon him. Father, wherever they are, I do not get to know wherever they are. Father, in the name of Jesus, Father, I begin to scatter them. Father, I don't have any other one. Father, this one that I have, I ask that you heal him for me. How you go to get me anywhere? But I ask you that you heal my son. But I ask you that you heal my son. Father, heal my son. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Father, heal my friend.
Hey, how business now? Fine. This one came to my shop. Ha, see if I can greet you now. Yes, now. I mean, not like her.
You can't greet me, I can't give me this.
Gist today now. You know, anytime I come, premium.
I beg, sit down.
Premium
Sit
CNN.
down. Sit down.
Premium gist.
Give me this gist.
Because, wait, first of all, she is not by force to marry.
No, it's not.
It's not by force to be somebody's wife. Be answering for answer.
No, it's not by force.
I mean, let me carry my gist.
No, I just want to hear the gist.
Ask you answer.
Okay.
Is it by force to be a man name?
No.
Because when they said you both should not marry, stay single and look for money, you say no, you want to be a wife and a mother. Anyways, your friend I'm talking about, Njideka. Yes, so.
Njideka, the one that got married to Dinkba, the most handsome man in this village.
What did you say?
Yes, no.
The most what?
Handsome.
It's not only handsome. It's wholesome. What do you want to do with handsome? Okay, so if he comes to your shop now, oh, I'm handsome, give me rice. My son is hungry, will you give him rice? Because me, I'm beautiful, give me bread, I never chop today.
A former.
Let me tell you, as a man, it is what you have in your pocket that will make you handsome. Handsome. Think the people that say handsome, they don't know what they are saying.
Okay.
Ha!
Afoma, what are you trying to say? Are they having problems?
What that problem? Once the woman is taking care of the family, it is a problem. Because as it is now, it is your friend that is the breadwinner of the house.
How?
Yes, so. What do you mean by how? You know, it is no longer farming season. It was during farming season, she used to do all this farm work, make money and take care of the house. So we did not really know what's happening. Now that farm season is over. Your friend is now going around, cleaning houses, cleaning toilets, washing cars and washing pants for people. Yes.
Wait, Afoma. Dingba that we know of is a conductor. I mean, he follow those big lorry drivers to the cities and he makes money from them.
Which lorry driver? Lorry driver that they have sacked. Yes, now, the owner of that lorry have sacked him. He have employed another man. He's a jobless man. He don't have no job. He stays in the house from morning till night. He's a house husband. Your friend is now working hard wife. And you know the worst part? As a married woman, no. If she was single, I would not even, because you know, it's not my business. But as a married woman, tell me why she's working for him, say Gabe.
Working for who?
Gabriel! The Gabriel that all of us know in this village that is a promiscuous man. A harlot. That man that goes around, anything that is under skirt, anything that has skirt that looks like how he wants to enter. That is the man that this woman is working for.
Afoma, this is bad.
Terrible. Terrible. Because why? And the husband knows. It's not like he does not know. Yes, now. He's the one that even sends her there in the morning. You will give her bucket, give her mop, give her broom. Say, oh yeah, go my wife. And him, the man, he will use his handsome face and sit in the house. That's what your friend married. That is the man your friend married.
Afoma, you don't say.
I say, oh. My dear, I say. And again, let me ask you, is it by force to be married?
In this case, no, it's not.
Is it by force to be a married woman?
It's not by force.
So, if you like, you safe. Don't have sense.
Afoma, no, not
sister,
that side.
give me Fanta.
But the husband is fine, you know that.
Oh, God, give me Fanta.
He doesn't have a job.
I'm fine, sir.
Any problem?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Nze, please. My son has been running temperature for the past 3 days. So I had to go to the chemist to buy drugs for him on credit. And I promised him I was going to bring the money today. So please, I want to plead with you to give me part of my salary. so that I can settle the chemist person like I promised.
Just 2 weeks of your job, you are asking me to give you your salary. Eh?
Sir, it's not intentional. I know it is not the right thing to do. It is condition. I'm only asking you to assist me because it's just to save my son's life. Please, sir.
Well, Njideke, what we are doing here is employer and employee transaction. Not brother and sister thing or boyfriend and girlfriend thing. So we must follow the job ethics. I am not giving you any kobo until the end of the month. If you don't like the condition, you can quit the job.
Hey, Nzebiko Zeno, it has not gotten to that. I was just asking for your assistance. Almost going yours. So there's no problem. If you're not comfortable with it, I'll wait till month's end.
Better. Open the gate for me. Make sure you lock the gate. Why not?
Up to your phone, my balance.
Ogakime, I have not come to collect the phone.
What have you come to do then?
Ogakime, please, can you buy the phone? I need money. I need money to cook for my family.
Now, wow.
Ogakime, speak. I just need help. Just buy it. I need help.
This phone, the brand new one of this phone should not be more than 12,000 naira. I don't need this kind of phone.
Ogakime, I did not say you should buy it equivalent to the price of the new one. Just tell me, how much will you buy? Make it go.
I don't need this kind of a phone. As you can see, I have a better Android phone that I'm using.
But you can still buy for your mother or any other person. You can still buy.
My mom has a phone. I don't need this phone. I don't need it.
You need spare. You need a spare phone. You know the way this electricity in this village is fluctuating. You see this phone, it charge full bar. This phone can last 1 week. The battery is very strong. You need spare phone.
Madam, I have generator. Besides, this is my power bank, as you can see. So I don't need this phone, please.
Okay, miss. Let me not lie to you. And is that I did not succeed at work. My boss that I was hoping on, thinking he was going to give me some money, said he will not give me any money till month's end. That is why
then you have to come back month's end and collect the phone.
That's
That's what will happen.
Please just buy it for me now. Oh, be
I
cool.
don't need it. Leave my shop.
It's your cargo. Why? I'm taking you.
Leave my shop. Come back Monday and I'll collect your phone. Wait. This is 5,000 naira. Go and cook for your family.
Hey, God Kimis, thank you very much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Hey.
Please make sure you pay back at the end of the month.
Hi, God Kimis, you see this kindness you showed to me. I will never forget it. Oh, thank you so much. God bless you.
There is your phone. You need it.
Hi, man. Just hold it. I can't stay without the phone. There's no problem. Once it's month end, I'll bring the money and collect my phone.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Just take the phone from me. You need it more than me. Take. Just make sure you refund this money I gave you and pay up your debt. Take.
Okay, miss, you're a good man. God will bless you. God will continue to bless you. Thank you. Okay, miss, thank you.
Njideka, you can't keep doing this. You can't continue like this. You do this every night. And there's no solution. So what's the point? Why do you keep doing this? Huh?
I'm a human being. I have the right to express myself whichever way I want to. We can't be going through hard times. Things cannot be this rough and you expect me to act the same and act like nothing is happening. It is because you don't know what I'm going through.
What are you going through?
It's because you don't understand.
Njideka, we live in this house together. Anything you're going through right now, I'm going through the same thing. So what are you going through that I don't know of? I'm just saying you can't keep crying and wailing and putting yourself into more trouble every time.
We ate yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
You knew that I bought food stuff. But did you ask yourself, how come about the money? Did you?
Njideka, have you forgotten? You told me you were going to see your boss to get some money from him. Is that not what you told me?
You said he was not going to give me any money until month's end.
Wait. Your boss didn't give you money?
Now you know.
Hold on. You bought food stuff. You collected your phone from the chemist. I'm sure you gave them money before they gave you back your phone because they gave you drugs. So, how did you get the money?
Now you understand. Can you let me go?
Njideka, how did you get the money? Where did you get it from?
Look how you are doing like a small boy.
You can say that again.
Hey! That was so good.
I know you enjoyed today's session very well.
I did. It was really good.
I know when you will enjoy it. You are just calling me names, sweetheart, this and that. Anyway, it has been appreciated.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Everything sounds good. So let's get to it.
Let me take the kids.
Okay.
Allow me to flex my life. Allow me to enjoy myself. I got the money and I like enjoyment. Call me Uzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Call me Uzega, Uchuku Atwafia. My money now your own, your body now my own. Just say yes to me, yo. Anything you want, I go do it. Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Kai, Oga we look at a wire do. If I didn't get make we give it. If I don't get make we give it. You know, Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Even I told Tony Bukonibu. Oga we look at the wire. I know say one thing must kill a man. Try to take am easy. No be so life will be yo. We look at the wire. Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Nzega, Uchuku Emofia. Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. One thing must kill him, man. One thing must kill him, man. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy this life. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to flex my get on wire. I know say one thing must kill a man. Try to take am easy. No be so life will be yo. But look at no wire do. Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Nzega, Uchuku Emofia. Nzega, Uchuku Atwafia. Nzega,
Oh, do you want to run down my battery? You're calling me, I'm not going to shoot one busy. Eh? If the chemist man are not giving me my phone, tell me the number you'll be calling. Now I'm casting mad.
Allow me to enjoy this life. Allow me to enjoy
Hello?
myself. Allow me to flex my life. Allow me to enjoy myself.
When you call me, I did not pick. You should know that I'm working. And I'm go back. You know I'm at my place of work. If I don't know pick, you know that I'm doing something. Now that I've picked your call, say what you want to say, or give me what to do. Again, the Chimobi did what? Give me the Chimobi. Hello? Hello, Timba? Hello? Chimobi.
My son is very ill. I'm going to the hospital where they admitted him. I'm going to the hospital where they admitted him. Help, Chimaki!
Men and their children. Sorry, oh.
You went out.
I'm just coming.
My friend.
Yes, so I go house. I was surprised, so I just go out to the toilet. Running was stopping me. I had to go to the toilet and wake.
Stomach pain again. Abi you don't get belly?
She can't talk with that one.
Because I don't understand.
No, I just normal stomach. I don't even feel go to the toilet for morning, so I just got through because I can show.
Okay, oh.
My sister.
What's happening?
Guess who I see today?
Who?
Our old-time friend, Njideka.
Hey, she don't go work today?
No.
Why?
My dear. No, my dear sister. I was coming and then I noticed somebody running. I kept wondering, I said, who is this person and what is chasing her? The person came closer. Lo and behold, it was Njideka. I asked her, Njideka, why are you running like this? Is somebody after you? She said, no, that her son is dying, that they rushed him to the hospital.
Yeah.
Before I could ask which hospital, she's gone.
Yeah.
I was even suggesting that she climb bike. She was just running like an antelope.
Climb bike with which money? Did you give her money to climb bike? Abi, is the bike thing free? Would they carry her for free?
Hi, that's true, my friend. So if she cannot afford bike, how will she pay the hospital bill?
I'm from CNN, BBC. You don't see me now. I know all the information where they happen. I go know this one. Why they ask me? How will I know? I don't know. Maybe at the end of the day, we'll do community begging now. We'll go to that junction and beg.
Afoma, you are tacky. You are very tacky. No, it don't help. I don't understand.
I don't know now.
Community begging.
That's what you get when you marry a useless man now.
I know it to get
because
to
you marry somebody that don't have sense. Your life will not make sense.
I know it to get to that place.
I just know you like no learn lesson. Come and help me back. Thank you.
Anything you can carry.
There you go. I'm not happy. Those are not shop. I'm not
He's with the doctor. Just relax. They're trying to find out what the problem is.
Yeah?
They are trying to find out what the problem is. Sit down.
You don't know. You don't know. Please go and sit.
Njideka, sit down now. Calm down now. Calm down. He's with the doctor. They're trying to find out what the problem is. That's why I'm waiting.
Here's my son.
Doctor.
Is she your wife?
Yeah, she's my wife.
My son.
Can you calm down, please? Calm down.
I'm calm.
Njideka, sit down now.
I'm
Relax
just asking him where my son is.
Just calm down.
Calm down first.
Doctor, is he alive? Just tell me.
Your son is alive. He has a critical situation. And I need to explain to both of you in my office.
Sir,
Can we go to my office so I can explain to you?
Dr. Biko, whatever it is, you can tell us here.
You can speak about it here.
If he's not alive, just tell me.
It's not something we'll discuss here. Let's get to my office, please.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
A hole in his heart?
Yes.
How?
You were supposed to be told after his death at the hospital. I wonder why they didn't tell you.
Hey! Doctor, it's not a hole in the heart.
Yes. You people were busy giving him malaria drugs. You see why we warn against self-medication. It's not every time a child is running temperature that is caused by malaria. So many things can cause a child's temperature to go high. Now, the drugs you're giving to him, they have caused more harm than good.
Doctor, I've never heard of this before. A hole in the heart.
I wonder why they didn't tell you. He was born with that situation. The truth is that some children survive the infant stage. But the correction must be done, maybe at the adult stage. But some, like in this case, the correction must be done now to save his life.
Ha!
Doctor, what are we looking at? How much are we looking at?
1.5 million naira deposit, so that we can contact our surgeon partners. They are the ones to handle this case.
Doctor, did you say 105,000? 1.5.
1.5 million. The surgery is not something you do with local medical apparatus. So it costs a lot. 1.5 million.
Doctor, we have never seen that type of money before. Doctor, I fix tires. I'm a vulcanizer. We have never seen that type of money before. As we speak, I am jobless.
Well, that's the situation we find ourselves right now. You have to find a way to raise the money to save your son's life.
Hey!
I'm totally confused. What do I do now? What do we do?
Timba, the thing is, where are we going to borrow money from? Only can you give them we go. Where do we get such amount of money from?
If I had a piece of land, I would have used it to borrow money. But I don't. How do we solve this problem now? What do we do?
But we need to borrow money. I'm not going to see me, but we need to look for a way to borrow money. I can't lose my only child.
But Njideka, how do we? That's what I'm saying. Who do we borrow the money from?
This one that I have.
Mr. Timba,
Yes, please.
the doctor is asking if people are willing to pay the deposit now, so we can start a proper arrangement for your son's treatment.
Nah, see, we are not. Go and tell that doctor. Tell him that he should be paid.
Take it easy. Please, nurse. Tell the doctor to give us some more time, okay?
Okay.
Just give us some more time. We'll come around shortly, please.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Are we playing here?
Just calm down.
And I fully go in there back.
Calm down. Just take it easy.
Madam, the doctor gave an instruction before leaving that if you didn't deposit the money, you should take your child back home.
Hey!
But before then, you should pay the outstanding bills of 90,000 naira for the test conducted on him and the treatment given to him.
No, I will take... my husband is coming. My husband is coming. He went to look for the money. Do you want me to take my son home? If I take my son home, what will happen? Do you want my son to die?
Do I care? Have you checked the time you are saying your husband is coming?
What is the time?
I don't know. Check the time yourself.
Chimu! Past 12.
So you don't know?
Hey! No, all the same. My
Madam,
husband will
I've
come.
delivered the message, okay?
In the morning, my husband will come in the morning.
I don't want the doctor to come back and meet you here.
Nurse, my husband will come back in the morning. He's already... Hey, Dimba, where are you? Hey, keep it in. Where are you? It's already late. Just him. He is the only son that I have. You are the giver of life. You created the heavens and the earth and everything in it. You are the doctor of all doctors. I pray for my son, Chimubi. Everything that has caused a hole in his heart, Father, Lord, take it away. Heal him. I fill up every hole in his heart. Chimubi, I pray for you. You will not die. Chimubi, I pray for you. You will not die. I will not lose any of my children. You will live. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. And every tongue that rises against you shall be condemned. I will not bury my son. Rather, it is my son that will bury me. I pray in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Amen. Amen.
How is he feeling?
He's feeling well. How did he go?
Eh?
It didn't go well.
Hey!
So I went to see our community head. I tried to explain the entire situation to him.
Mm-hmm.
I pleaded for a loan. Unfortunately, he said it is impossible to give me a loan. When I asked why, he said I do not have the right because I'm not part of their daily contribution. They can only assist their member, that I'm not their member because I've not been contributing money. I pleaded and pleaded. He said he's sorry that he can't help me.
Hey!
Then I went to the famous money lender in the village. I explained things to him.
Mm-hmm.
He said he can't just give me money, that he needs a collateral. That they don't give out money without security. I now said, okay, what do I do? Okay, should I give him our family house?
Yes.
And he said it is impossible, that they don't accept inherited properties. I became confused. I begged and begged. I pleaded. I said, please help me. Okay, just give me yours. I promise to pay back. I want to save my son's life. He said there's nothing he can do. He said there was nothing he could do.
Hey! Timba, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Are we going to watch our son die? Eh?
A friend of mine asked me to see Mr. Gabriel.
Eh?
That is popularly known as Nze Gabe.
My boss! What
do you mean by that?
It's not possible.
What do you mean by that, Njideka? Listen, this is a different situation. My friend said he has helped a lot of people. That I should go to him. He might be of help to us.
He has helped a lot of people.
Yes.
Somebody that could not pay me upfront from my salary. That man is so mean.
Njideka, you don't understand. This is a different situation. Okay? And it doesn't make any difference. We have to go and tell him the situation of things.
But there is no way this man can help us. He can't give us somebody that could not even pay me upfront of my...
Hold on, my friend said he has helped a lot of people.
Which people?
He said he has helped a lot of people, that I should go to him.
He can't.
He might be of help to us.
He cannot help us. Somebody that I pleaded with to pay me upfront of my salary. That man is so mean.
Becca, listen to me. It doesn't make any difference. This is... Do you want him to die?
See, that man has already made me hate him. I can't.
Njideka, we don't have a choice. We have to go and meet him. You have to go. You have to go. You have to.
Izzy, please. Please, I'm begging you. My child is critically ill. And the doctor said that if they don't come and see the surgery as soon as possible, I might lose my son. My only son. My husband has gone everywhere. Everywhere he knows he can get help, he has gone there, but help is not coming. Nobody could loan him money.
There is no money anywhere. Huh? There is no money anywhere. Just like you don't have the money, so others don't have it. Huh?
Zibiko,
It's only when you have the money that you can be able to lend it, but nobody has the money.
Hey, listen, Biko, listen to a mother. Help save the life of my son. That boy is the only thing that gives us joy. Please, I beg you, I don't want to lose him. Biko, if you do this for me and my husband will be so grateful to you. Even the boy himself will be grateful to you. Biko, can you leave me, please?
How much did you say the doctor is demanding for the operation?
1.5 million, sir. 1.5 million.
1.5 million?
Yes.
What makes you think I have such amount of money to lend? And even if I have, will I just give it on a platter of gold?
No, sir. Nobody is talking of platter of gold. If you lend me and my husband this money, we will pay. One year, gradually, we will pay. Biko.
Normally, I know that you are going to pay, but that's not what I'm talking about.
I don't understand. What are you talking about, sir?
But nothing goes for nothing. I know that you and your husband will definitely pay the money back, but I need something kind of motivator so that I can, be able to lend you the money.
I don't understand, sir. What kind of benefit are you talking about?
Are you a small girl? Huh? What benefit can a man get from a woman?
Honestly, see, that very day, I just knew that somebody was standing beside me.
Okay.
Because I was sweeping, I just felt it as a human being, and somebody was standing beside me. Only for me to stand up, it was in Gabe.
Okay.
And then I was wondering, I was looking at him, maybe he wanted me to do something for him. He didn't say anything. Right. The next thing he used as a cover-up is that there was the money he left in the living room that he was looking for. And I said, let me just be honest with you. The reason I went to work for that man was because I needed to feed my family. Honestly, I saw a signpost in front of his gate that he's looking for somebody that would do menial job for him, clean and do. And I applied in person. Okay. Then when I get there, he picked me and I started working for me. That is all. I have never ever thought in my head, all these things you're saying, I'm just hearing it for the first time. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm shocked he has not even said anything, because that man that I know, that we know, not I, we know.
I've been thinking, I said, why has that man not made advances at me? Like, why has he not pushed?
Or maybe he's waiting. He's waiting for the right time, if you ask me. Maybe there's a particular something he's waiting to happen before he will do it.
Right time?
Yes.
Or let's just say, he knows I'm a married woman. I'm not he even said that he wanted a single girl to come and do the work I'm doing. But then I was able to convince him.
Go and sit down there. Married woman where? Which married? Look at this one. Somebody that a woman that lost her husband yesterday, you slept with her today. Who is you that you are married? You that your husband is still alive. It will soon enter, my sister. I said anything that looks like a woman that has hope, plug it in. He has entered. He will enter. Just relax.
Hey!
I'm sure he will come. What is marriage?
I
think it's that small thing that you're holding your hand. Oh, my sister. I will just tell you, be careful. And you did not hear anything from me.
Hey, no.
You did not hear anything from me.
My love, I did not hear anything. Say, I need to start rushing.
No problem.
Start going home. I need to go and make something for my family.
Just be careful.
Thank you very much for this information.
Bye-bye. Hey!
Only marriage. Now you first marry. They also hang your leg, I know.
Wait, Nze. If I understand you very well, you're saying that I should have sex with you before you can lend me the money. Is that the condition to lend me the money?
Of course. Am I not a man? Seeing your beauty every day in this house, moving around the house, it has not been easy for me. It's just that I don't want to lose the respect you have for me. But now that the opportunity calls, I have to utilize the opportunity. That's all.
See, I'm a married woman. I am somebody's wife. How will you...
Married or unmarried, you are a beautiful woman. And you have everything that I needed in a woman. Even as I'm talking to you now, my body is already shaking. You have to understand. try to understand.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. Put your wife in my shoes. Imagine your wife is going through what I'm going through right now. How will you feel? How will you feel if another man tells your wife to sleep with him because of money? Biko, I'm still begging. I'm just a helpless mother. For the sake of my child, my only son. Biko, Biko.
Listen. Forget about modesty. It hasn't hurt anybody. You have what I want, and I have what you want. Let's just help each other. Yeah, you don't understand. I can even ask you not to pay the money. I can let you the money free, and ask you and your husband not to pay the money. Just accept what I'm saying. There's no problem.
I don't need your money. Keep it!
Njideka, if you ever step out of that gate now, don't mind to come back because you've lost your job.
Nze, both the one I have worked, keep all of them. Keep the money. I don't need your dirty money. Pig.
Njideka, why are you crying? Huh? What happened? What happened? Huh? Talk to me, did someone die? Njideka, what is it? How did he go? Did you see him? Njideka, what is it? Why are you crying? You're scaring me. What happened? Njideka, listen. Just calm down. What is it? What happened?
He said he was going to assist us with the money on one condition.
And what's the condition?
That I'm going to have sex with him.
He said that to you?
Repeatedly.
He said that to you?
Madam, the doctor instructed evacuate you people from the ward to the reception. Where you will stay until fix the outstanding bills.
What is wrong with you and your doctor? What is wrong with everybody? Did I tell you I want to take my son home? I'm not taking him anywhere.
Madam, don't shout at me. I'm only working under instructions here. Go and tell your doctor that I am not taking my child out of this hospital.
The surgery must be conducted. Go and tell your doctor I said it.
Then you have to deposit the money. Okay? The hospital can't keep waiting for you people. It is either you deposit the money or you take your child out of this ward. That's the doctor's instruction.
Hey! Hey! I'm not taking my child anywhere. I'm not taking Chimobi home. I don't know how you want to do it, but we'll have to go and meet that doctor and talk to him. We have to talk to him. I cannot lose my only child. I cannot lose my only child. We have to talk to him. Hey!
Mr. David, I went against the normal hospital procedure. I started attending to your son without confirming your deposit. I ran series of tests on him. I started giving him treatment. Now you people are using it against me.
Doctor, that's not the situation. We totally appreciate everything you're doing. We know you're a very kind man. We're not going to take all of the things you have done for granted.
Yes.
It's impossible.
Yes, doctor, please.
We're just asking for more time, that is all. Please.
Pico, please, the good that you did for humanity, don't see it as a bad thing. It's only God that will repay you.
Vacate that wall. I have so many patients. They have deposited money. I don't have enough space. I need that wall. Just can you vacate it, please?
But doctor, vacating, where do we take our son to now? You're asking us to leave the world. Where do you want us to go?
How is that supposed to be my problem?
What?
Is that my business? You can take him to anywhere.
Doctor, are you saying this to me?
Why would I say that to you?
Are you not a father? Don't you know how I feel? I'm just saving my shoes.
Is he my son?
Just calm down.
Am I your uncle?
Really?
Am I related to you?
How dare you say that to me? How dare you say that to me?
How dare you come to my office?
Wait, hold on. Wait. You want my son to die?
Did you open this hospital for me?
You want my son to die?
Did you open this hospital for me?
I didn't open the hospital. I told you to give me some more time. I'm going to pay your money.
I have run out of patience. Take your son out of my world.
Doctor, it's okay now. Why are you talking to him like that? You're talking to somebody who is in pain like this. I don't know, man. Now calm down.
His sense of entitlement is out of this world.
Doctor, calm down. Calm down. Let's talk like matured people. Biko kana yogi. You just see the way you are talking. Are you not a father? You have a child yourself. And you're sounding like this. So don't come mad.
I've been too emotional in this. Now I'm regretting it. I would have been business-minded from the onset.
Okay. Sorry. There's no problem. We'll go. We'll vacate the ward. But please, I just want to ask you an honest question. And I need an honest answer from you. Biko.
What's the question?
If we decide to pay for her stay, and then I take my son home, what are the chances of him surviving?
There's no need lying to you. The truth is that the surgery is not done now. My son won't survive the next 48 hours.
Fiakwa, God forbid. Doctor, dig my way. Just.
You requested for an honest answer. This is just the truth. He has less than 48 hours to live.
God forbid. My son will not die, doctor.
I know you will come back. I know. Just come. I've been waiting for you. My daughter, why are you crying? Don't cry, my baby. Don't cry. I've been waiting for you here. Don't cry. Eh? Don't cry. Wipe your tears. You are something.
Mr. Deepa, you have to come to our office to sign the necessary documents so that we can carry on with the surgery. Yes, a deposit of 1.5 million naira has been made by your wife. We booked for an emergency surgery, so in the next 5 to 6 hours, the surgery will be conducted. We need you to sign the documents. I said yes, your wife. I don't understand. I'm answering you the question, you're repeating the question. Your wife brought the money by herself. She has deposited the money. My friend, come to the hospital to sign the documents. We are waiting for you. What kind of a difficult man is this?
Am I going to sleep here?
Do you want to go?
No, I'm just asking. I don't know if you want me to stay.
It's already late now. I don't think you would like to go.
Just say you want me to stay. Just say it. I know you want me to stay. Don't worry, I'll stay.
You are a bad girl.
I know you won't. Just say it. That reminds me. I wanted to ask you something. Because the rumors are everywhere in the village.
What rumor?
Is it true you gave Njideka 2.5 million naira?
Njideka needed help. As a good boss I am to her, I rendered the help. Her child was dying. He was critically ill. That's why I gave them the money.
A good boss? Gabriel, so you are sleeping with somebody's wife?
Who says so?
What do you mean by who says so? You that I know. You give somebody 2.5 million and you are not sleeping with her. Even me that you are sleeping with, have you given me 2.5 million?
Calm down.
Am I shouting?
Calm down.
Why are you telling me to calm down?
Let me explain.
Explain what? That you are sleeping with her or that you are not sleeping with her? Which one? Are you sleeping with her or not?
I say calm down.
I am calm. Why are you telling me? No, it's okay. Good Samaritan, good boss, I see you. You see, somebody's wife.
Afoma, you are a loser. A very big loser at that. So this man can give a woman 2 million naira. And I have been begging him for ordinary 500,000 naira to start up a business. And he has been finding it very difficult to give it to me. So what style has she been giving him that I don't give him? A married woman for that matter. A mother of one. He prefers to spend money on a second hand. A fairly used. over a brand new like me? Chai, Afoma, you have been fooling around. It is time to wise up. If you don't give me that money, nothing again for him.
I have been waiting for you inside the room and you are here sleeping.
Why are you waiting for me? What is it? Am I owing you?
What is the meaning of that?
Please, there's nothing for you this night. Closed.
What are you talking?
What do you mean by what am I talking? Why are you acting like you don't know what I'm talking about?
Ochi.
What is...
Ochi.
What is not my own? What is my business?
It is holding me badly.
Hey, if you hold it, you hold it back now. Hold it back. As for me, there is nothing happening here. We are closed. Until you do what I asked you to do, there is nothing for you. That's your business, so. Until you do what I asked you to do, there is nothing.
What did you ask me to do?
For how long have I been asking for 500,000 naira to start up a business? Eh? Please. Until I get the money, I am not doing anything with you. In
my house, all this condition, in my own house, my money. Eh?
Me too, my body. Me too, my body.
Or you keep your body. Let's see how it goes. Eh? It's alright. You are talking of your body. Let's see how it goes.
Wetin happen? Who dey vex you?
Body just dey prepare me. Do you know that room about the Gabe and the Intudeka is true? That he gave her 2.5 million naira.
Wait. The one that they are having an affair?
Yes. And he actually gave her that money.
How did you know?
Because he told me. I asked him and he said yes. That she came here, she was crying, her son is dying. And he coughed out 2.5 million. 2.5 million.
Afoma, why are you upset?
Because if somebody have been begging to give me 500,000 naira to start up a business. Small 500, he said he does not have. Business is slow. This one, do this one. But he has 2.5 million to give to somebody's wife.
Afoma, I thought you said you don't have anything to do with him. Because I'm still trying to wrap my head around why you're upset that he gave his girlfriend money.
I don't have anything to do with him. I don't understand. Why are you looking at me like
Afoma?
I don't have anything to do with him now. If I have, I'll tell you. I don't. It's just... Because why would he give somebody's wife 2.5 million? That's somebody... What do you mean by his girlfriend? I don't have anything to do with him.
You don't have anything to do with him? And you're upset that he gave his girlfriend money?
I'm not upset. I'm just...
You're just what? Talk now. You're just what?
Nothing. I'm just...
Afoma. You don't have anything with him?
No.
Akuko. Story. Why are you telling that one? I know you very well. So why are you not upset? Or explain to me. Tell me.
I'm not upset. I'm not upset. Why will you give somebody's wife 2.5 million? That's my own. Let her husband do the job. That's the husband's work, not his work. I'm not upset, I beg. Leave me.
My friend.
Me totazi. Hi, nke na tonuto. Itobugum, ibugum. Hi, baby girl. Ibugum, just do whatever you want with me. Whatever pleases you, just do it with me.
Zebiko, please. Come no again. Let me hear. Why are you sounding like Afoma is not sweeter?
Who is Afoma?
My girlfriend. You think I don't know she comes to visit you?
No. No other girl comes to my house except you.
Nze, why are you lying? You think I'm a child? I know this moment and I know she comes to this house to visit you.
Makachuku, no other girl visits me except you.
Can you swear?
I swear with my late father's grave.
Hey, this man is a devil. So, he's having something with 3 friends. 3! And none of them know about it. So this is how he goes about sharing 1 million naira. Me, I must collect my own national cake. 1 million naira loading. Nzegeb. 1 million naira. I would collect it.
Honey, you've been acting like this for some time. I mean, every midnight you're always like this. This is something I always do. But you talked me out of it. And I left it only for you to continue from where I stopped. What is going on? What is the problem? What is that thing that is eating you up? The surgery was successful. I now own a provision store where we get money from to sustain this family until you get a job. So why are you bothered? Why are you thinking? Kilifopo.
Njideka. You said Mr. Gabriel paid for Chimaobi's surgery. And also gave you some money to start a business.
I am not even saying him. I am not saying Nzegib. It is God that I am saying. He knows we have suffered too much. He has heard our cries. And so he decided to use Nzegib to answer our prayer. It is the Lord's doing. Why are you looking at me like that? Have I said anything wrong? Honey? Honey, we are still honey? Hello.
How are you?
Are you going out? Honey, I just asked the question.
What stupid question are you asking me? If I'm going out, what does that mean? Huh? What business of yours is it?
Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. It's just that you didn't tell me you were going out very early this morning and then seeing you dressed like this.
Oh, please just shut up, I beg. Nobody has your time. I'm going out.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Where are you going to?
Where am I going to? I'm going to visit your father's grave.
It's okay, it's fine. And let me just dress Junior since you're going out so that you drop him at school for me.
As usual. Because I'm your houseboy. No, now! I'm your houseboy! Am I not? Are you not the woman of the house? You keep asking stupid questions. So you want me to sit down here and keep watching you? You're happy that I don't have a job. You're happy I can't provide for my family. Aren't you happy? You're coming here to say stupid things to me. I'm going to your father's grave. I'm going out. So you can have all the freedom in the world to sleep with all kinds of men.
Your food,
Mom, why is Daddy angry?
No, Daddy's not angry. He's not.
But he was shouting at you.
No, Daddy was not shouting. I think no, that's Daddy's voice. That's the way he talks. He wasn't shouting, okay? So let me just dress you up. You're already late, so you go to school. I'll take you to school myself, okay? Angry? No. Daddy's not angry. He's not angry, okay? Daddy's not angry. Maybe maybe something is wrong, but that is not angry. That is fine. Okay?
But he was shouting at you.
No. Daddy was not shouting at me. Alright?
Okay.
That is Daddy's voice. That is how Daddy talks sometimes. Alright? He has a very high voice, so he's not shouting at me. Alright, so I need to dress you up so I can take you to school. You're late already.
What did I do to this woman? The one who go kill you. Not be me go kill you. Not be me go kill you.
Honey, I have been thinking lately of your sudden change of character towards me. The negative attitude that you give to me. You no longer eat my food. You don't even touch me as your wife anymore. And then you shout at me and talk to me anyhow at every slightest provocation. I have come to ask you if there's any way I have offended you, whatever way I have wronged you. I am sincerely sorry. Please forgive me. Your attitude towards me is affecting my sanity. I was almost hit by a car this morning while taking Chimobi to school because I was lost in thought. Please, I beg you, my husband, forgive me.
Njideka, so you are aware that what you did was wrong?
Aware? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You don't understand. You have no idea what I'm talking about. So why are you apologizing?
For real, I have no idea. I'm just apologizing because I am sorry. Your attitude is killing me.
Okay, so you're sorry for nothing. So why are you here saying you're sorry?
Exactly what
Are you indirectly saying I'm a mad person?
No.
I'm accusing you wrongly?
No, I never said that. I'm just...
So I don't know what I'm doing. You're telling me that my attitude towards you is bad, that I get angry at the slightest provocation. So I am now a madman.
No.
I just go around getting angry at people.
I didn't say that.
So what are you saying?
I'm just apologizing.
Apologizing for what exactly?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry about what?
Your attitude is killing me. I'm just... I don't know. I'm just...
But you just said you did nothing wrong. And now my attitude is killing you. Which one is it? Eh?
I'm just...
No, why are you apologizing?
Your attitude towards me has changed. Even our son Chimobi noticed it, and it's not good for him.
Okay, so you're now telling me how to raise my son? That Chimobi noticed the way I was talking to you. So you're telling me how to raise my son?
No!
So what are you saying?
I'm saying I'm sorry. Whatever thing I have done, just forgive me.
Women. Let me walk outside. Let me run away from your trouble.
No. I just...
me! What have I... My goodness.
I stand by. One thing must kill him, man. One thing must kill him, man. Allow me to enjoy my...
Asa. Nke a ihu gị dịkwa etu a. What is wrong now?
I'm not happy. I'm upset. I'm not happy with you.
Upset okwa. Ekwa ni manyo. What happened again?
Please, what do you want to buy, I beg?
Okay. Just give me one big loaf of bread. And 2 tins of milk.
3,000.
Nzega, Ojukwu atwafia, kai, oga welukere wayodo. Ife de nangada ye mekwe give. Ife de nangada ye mekwe give. Inano, Nzega, Ojukwu atwafia.
Are you coming tonight?
Coming where?
Can't kill a mess quick and monster brought you. My house now.
Not coming anywhere.
Why?
I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy.
Okay. Don't worry. Just come this night. Whatever is the problem, I'm going to sort it out. You know go?
Okay.
Is that alright? It's alright. Take this is 5,000 naira. Just take your money and keep the change. Make sure you come this night, oh. You hear? Don't fail, eh? Don't fail, eh?
One thing must kill him, man. One thing must kill him, man. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy this life. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to flex.
Why are you stopping onions from eating his meal? What is the problem?
Onions. I told you I was very upset with you. I told you I'm not happy with you. You didn't even ask me what the problem is. You just want to jump on me and start eating me.
Oh.
Is that how you behave?
It's okay, my baby. It's okay. Just tell me, what is it?
I want my own share of the money.
Share of which money?
Again, you've been going around this village sharing money in millions to people. My own son is sick and the doctor is asking me for 1 million naira. I need my own share of the money.
Why are you people like this? Why are you doing this?
Oh, you people. That means we're many. I'm not the only one you're saying. You just implicated yourself. So we are many.
Yeah, Okwako. The money I gave to Njideka was just to help. Her child was sick, practically dying. And she needed help. I just offered a helping hand. Why are you people making mountain out of this? Why?
So you're still saying that we're many?
Yeah, Okwago. You see, I'm going to give you 100,000 naira for this night to make you happy. Hmm?
That's more like it.
Remember, this money is to make you happy so that you can, do the normal thing you used to do. You handle me, you rough handle me.
Oh. So how do you want me to get? How do you want it? How do you want it? Do you want it like this? Or do you want it like this? Oh.
I've been having this malaria for a very long time. I even went to the chemist to get drugs. Even after taking the drugs, the symptoms will not stop. I think I need to see a doctor. I want to go to the hospital.
So why are you telling me? What do you want me to do? The last time I checked, I'm your houseboy. Aren't you the man of the house? Why are you telling me? Huh? Please, I want to be left alone. Do you hear me?
Dimba, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you to deserve such treatment from you? What have I done?
What have I done to you to deserve such treatment from you? Really? Are you pretending you don't know what you have done?
That is because I don't know. Believe me, I don't know what I have done. See, whatever it says, just tell me. You're my husband. I will apologize to you. I will beg you. I don't know what I have done. Please.
I want to be left alone.
Timba. Ordinarily, you should have noticed that your wife is not feeling so well. You should have looked at me and know that I am not in a perfect condition, but no, you will not. You have changed so much. This is not the caring husband I used to know. What happened? What have I done? Please, whatever thing it is, I will just apologize to you. I'm sorry.
Hey, I want to be left alone.
Kanditina owe muna fufu Okwa kowe dimma Kanditina owe muna sobu Hallelujah.
My suspicion earlier was correct. The result is out. You're pregnant.
Pregnant? I don't understand how, doctor.
You are pregnant. Congratulations to you and your husband.
What is you? But doctor, how is it possible? I just finished seeing my period a few days ago. So how is it possible that I'm pregnant?
It's very, very possible to still see your menses when you're already pregnant. It's very, very possible.
Okay. Really, doctor?
Yes.
How is it, bro? Hey, this is good news! My husband will be so happy! Hey, doctor, thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, I need to start rushing home. I can't wait to break this news to my husband. Hey, doctor, thank you. Thank you. guess now. Honey, guess now.
See, what is it now? If you have something to say, just say it. I'm not ready for your childish games.
Why do you want to spoil this beautiful mood now? Eh? Why do you just want to spoil it? Okay, fine. I'll tell you. It is good news. Take a look.
What is this?
Check it now.
What is this now?
Fine. I'm just coming back from the hospital and the doctor just confirmed that your wife is pregnant! We've just looked at this. I'm pregnant. It's good news. Honey, I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant for who?
I don't understand. What do you mean by...
You are pregnant for who? Because the child does not belong to me. I can remember the last time I had sex with you.
I don't... What are you saying? That the pregnant... Did I get myself pregnant? If you're not responsible for my pregnancy, then who is responsible?
Who is responsible for the child?
Are you asking me? You're responsible for...
No! Nze Gabriel is responsible because I can remember the last time I had sex with you. Are you serious? Wait, are you trying to put another man's child on my head? God will punish you! Stupid.
Wait, hold on. So this whole thing is about the game all this while. Demba! See, you don't have to wait. Let's talk about this thing. Why? Hold on. Demba, wait. Demba, just hold on. You want to talk about this? Just wait. All right. So this whole thing has been about the game all this while.
I've said my mind to you. Don't touch me again.
Where do you think you're going to? You're not going anywhere. We have to talk about this here and right now. I mean, you can't be giving me attitude for a decision that you took against my own wish.
What stupid decision? What stupid decision are you talking about? What decision are you talking about?
Who made me go back to the game? I'm asking you, who made me go back to him and give in to his demand? Was it not you?
I was confused. I was afraid of losing our son, so I took a hasty decision.
Even when I tried to call your attention to it, but you were not listening to me.
I wasn't thinking straight.
You were not thinking straight. And how is that supposed to be my problem?
You are loose. If you are not, you would have condemned my decision. You would have done that until I came back to my senses.
Really?
Yes.
I think when you left me, I know you so well. Everything that you said that very day, you meant it. You even threatened to end our marriage. And now you're giving me attitude over a decision that you took for us. A decision that you took against my own wish. This is pure wickedness, Dimpa. This is man inhumanity to man, and you speak.
Njideka, listen to me. I don't know what you're up to. But listen and listen good. If your plan is to make me father another man's child, God will punish you! Stupid girl! What are you doing here? Are you not supposed to pick up Chimobi from school? Are you not aware it is closing hours? Huh? Wait. Come to think of it, it is possible Chimobi is not my son. It is very, very possible Chimobi is not my son. Because I don't trust you. You're very full of surprises. Njideka, we have to run a DNA test. I have to make sure Chimaobi is my blood. Because you're full of surprises. You're dangerous. You're a snake.
Me, Njideka. You're talking to me, right?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Did my God will judge you? I'm sure that he's seated there and he's seen what you're doing to me.
What did you say?
He is seeing all the ill treatment you're melting out on me on a daily basis. He will judge you.
Njideka, do you know God? Does God even know you?
Did my God will judge you?
You're sitting down here, you're committing paternity fraud. And you're calling the name of God. May God punish you.
Dima, my God will judge you!
God does not know you!
Dima, my God will judge you!
Listen, clean those crocodile tears and go and pick up my son. Fine girl for nothing. You're going around opening your legs for old men. Committing paternity fraud and you're coming here to tell me God will punish you!
Dima, God will judge you!
God will punish you!
My God will judge you! For this pain you're causing me, God will judge you! He will judge you! I didn't want to do this. Even God in heaven knows that I did not want to. I chose my dignity as a woman. But he chose his son's life. And Nadipa is blaming me. He is blaming me. Chai. Dimpa looks at me and calls me a prostitute. A loose woman. Me. Njideka. For something I did not give my consent. Chai. Njideka. Njideka. Good afternoon. How are you?
Mommy, boys are crying.
No, I'm not crying. Mommy is not crying. Okay, I'm fine. Okay. He's not crying. How are you?
Fine. Or did daddy shout at you again?
No, come here. Daddy did not shout at me, okay? So, I was in the kitchen. I was trying to make something and something entered into my eyes. So I'm just seated here and trying to see if I would take it out. That's why it looks like Mommy is crying, but Mommy is not crying.
Okay.
How's it today?
Fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So, we'll go inside, we'll take a shower, and then I'll give you your food, okay?
Okay.
Alright, then let's go. Boy. I cannot be cooking in this house and you'll be wasting my food in this economy. If you know that if I cook and you will not eat it, just open up and tell me to stop cooking, that you will not eat my food rather than wasting my food. I will finish cooking all in the name of cook for your husband. You will come here, you'll be eating bread and coke, you will not eat my food. Okay,
Njideka, you're very stupid. You're senseless. You are senseless. So you expect me to eat your food? The same food you cooked with the money you made from adultery? You must be out of your mind. Listen, if you're looking for who to kill, who to send to an untimely grave, it is not me. It cannot be me.
In other words, you no longer want to eat my food.
I do not want to eat your food!
Hey, there's no problem. There's no problem. Just be ready to welcome ulcer.
Really? Njideka, having ulcer is better than eating an adulterous food. Yes!
Adulterous food?
Yes!
God in heaven knows that what you're saying is not the truth and he will judge you.
God in heaven?
Yes!
God in heaven?
Yes!
Do you know God?
He will judge you. You see all of these things you're saying. He will judge you. There is no problem.
You're the one committing paternity fraud and you keep calling God. You're the one committing paternity fraud and you're still calling God. God will punish you. You're just fine for nothing.
There's no problem.
You go around sleeping with old men.
No, there's no problem.
And they're giving you money. You want to come and cook for me. God will punish you. And I swear to God, I'm going to marry another wife.
Marry now.
I will marry another wife.
That's all you know how to do. See your family, you will not. That's how people will take go. You waste my food.
You're just fine for nothing, going around sleeping with old men. And you're coming here to commit paternity fraud. But yet you call God. What God? What God do you know? Does God know you? No!
What? Who is your sister? Huh? Do I know you?
Afoma.
Afoma what?
What do you mean you don't know me? I'm greeting you.
Greeting me? Why? Am I sick? Why are you greeting me? Do I know you? Please. This should be the very first and last time in your life till you die. Hear me? Till you die. That you see me walking on this road and then you stop me. Do you understand me? Don't talk to me, please. I don't talk to prostitutes. I do not talk to harlots. Avoid me.
Afoma, do you even know who you're talking to?
No, I'm blind now. Can't you see my eyes? I cannot see. Yes, I can see. Njideka Okoro, it is you I am talking to. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. I don't talk to people that are gallivant after saying they are married. Yeah. I am not friends with people that still sleep with different men because of money. Okay? I don't talk to prostitutes. Yeah. I do not talk to prostitutes. So please, anytime you see me, go the other way. Just avoid me. Stay away from me, please. Okay? I don't want problem. Because the next time you do this nonsense now, I will not follow you and talk. I will change it for you. Shower prostitute.
It is true that the story is everywhere. But I slept with Nzigib and he gave me the money for my son's medical treatment. If not the news, why would Afoma open her mouth to talk to me in that manner? Why? Who knows what other people are saying about me? Hey, Timba. Timba has succeeded in killing my image in this village.
Carefully pay attention, because I'm not going to repeat myself again. You will go inside and get dressed. We are going to see a doctor friend of mine. He has accepted to abort that thing you're carrying.
I say, that is the lie from the pit of hell. I will not abort this child in my womb. If you can't do for, are you joking? Ha!
Njideka, I am going to warn you for the very last time. I am not going to raise another man's child in this house.
Which another man's child?
You will not nurse another man's child in my house.
Please, I beg you.
It is an abomination.
Timba, I beg you in the name of whatever thing you hold so dear. I will not abort this child. A child that I prayed to God for a very long time to have. You want me to go and abort it? It is a lie. Your plan will not work.
Njideka! How many times did I call you?
You called me 2 times, Impa.
You will not nurse another man's child in my house.
And I said it is a lie.
It is an abomination.
I will not. You will not abort this child.
Don't push me, oh.
Oh, I will push you.
Njideka.
I will push you.
Anything
you want to do,
do not push me.
Do
not push me.
Anything you want to do, do. Okay, me. I should have bought the child. I've been begging God for years. Do whatever thing you want to do. I'm waiting for you. And I should be scared of him. I will not abort my child. Okay. I'll see the end of this. I'm not aborting it. Anything you want to do, do it. And I'm I abort my own child. A child I've been begging God to give to me for a very long time. Now he has given it to me. You said I should abort it.
What are you doing here? Did you miss your room?
I came to apologize for the other.
Apologize for what? I have political meeting. I have to go for a meeting. Just go for now, please.
Please, I said I'm sorry now. I made a mistake. I will not do it again. Please, I just came to say sorry. And I cannot stay without you for like 1 month. Now it's been a long. I'm sorry.
And I said no. Since I'm the one who needs this relationship, I want us to go our separate ways and see who loses at the end.
Why are you talking like this now? I said I'm sorry. It will not happen again. Just give me one small last chance. I swear I will not do it again. Please, one small chance. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
But if I say I don't need you again.
You know you need me now. You know you need all this now. You know you need it. You want to need this. Eh? Please now. I'm sorry now.
You know why you are feeling like this? You know why you are feeling like this?
I'm sorry.
Did you hear me?
I'm sorry.
I must tell you. Hi. My political meeting is on.
It's just too much for Nzegab to give to Njideka for sleeping with her. Nzegab that I know. That one cannot cover such an amount too. Just for pleasure that he can get somewhere else. Something must be involved. Yes, this is not ordinary at all. Njideka must have used jazz on that man. She used jazz. Otherwise, how will he give her 2 million naira? She thinks she's smart. I will tell her that I am smarter. No problem.
Hey! Get out! Shey, you know I'm pregnant! Don't you want to injure me?
I don't want to see you here again. Don't enter this house again.
Timba, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Is it because you know I don't have anybody to go to? Eh? It's like, Timba, what? Timba, stop this! I don't like this thing! Timba, stop! I don't like this thing you're doing!
Go! Take this. You cannot nurse another man's child in my house. Do you understand me? It is either you get rid of that thing you're carrying, or you take it to him to be responsible for it.
Dimpa, why are you doing this? Is it because you know I don't have anywhere to run to? Because you know I don't have anybody to talk to? Nobody to accommodate me? That's why you're treating me like this? It's not fair!
Rebecca, your crocodile tears cannot move me. Do you understand me? I repeat myself. Your crocodile tears cannot move me. And you need to stop denying that Mr. Gabriel is not the owner of this child. Because I'm not!
Stop! Stop it! You are the father of my child!
Shut up! You bastard! You lying machine! Are you stupid? We have been married for 11 years. And we waited 3 years before we got our son. Do the math. Do the math! Do the maths in your head. Why haven't you gotten pregnant all this while? You waited until I asked you to cajole Mr. Gabriel to giving you little money. And all of a sudden you got pregnant for him. God will punish you.
Dimpa, but you pushed me.
Okay.
You pushed me into meeting.
I pushed you. I asked you to go to him. Did I ask you to get pregnant for him?
No.
Did I ask you to get pregnant for him?
No, please, I beg you. Dimpa, please, I beg you. I don't have anywhere to go.
God will punish you. God will punish you.
Please, I beg you. Dimpa, please, I beg you. I don't have anywhere to go to. Dimpa! Dimpa, open the door. Open the door, please. Please, I beg you. Chime, phone. Dimpa, please, I beg you, open the door. You cannot throw me out like that. I don't have anywhere to go to. Hey, Dimpa, can't you see Aga? Dimpa, please. Dimpa, I'm not living here without my son. You have to give me my son. You can't take my son away from me.
So are you trying to fight me?
Yes.
Why?
Take me to my mommy.
But I want you to stay with me.
No.
You want to stay with your mother?
Yes.
So if you follow your mother, you're not going to come back to me?
No.
You won't come back to me?
Yes.
You want to stay with your mother?
Yes.
If you follow your mother, you won't come back to this house?
Yes, I agree.
You agree?
Yes.
Okay, let me get your things so that you can follow your mother.
You want me to leave my son with you? You that does not have a job. How will he feed? You want my son to starve to death? I'm not going anywhere unless you don't want me to leave this house. If you want me to leave this house, you will give me my son. I can't live here without my son. I will not leave. I'm not going anywhere. Give me my son, oh!
You're trying to use this boy as an excuse to stay back. You can have him. Leave my house. I'm done with you. You need to see the handwriting written on the wall. Take. Get out.
Dimpa, for punishing me for a crime that I did not commit, God will repay you. Take it from me.
I hate my daddy.
It's okay, let's go. Let's go.
What I would be here? What I would be here?
Chumbe, this is where I always come to each time I drop you off at school. This is my shop. I will be staying here for the meantime.
You mean you will be sleeping here?
Yes, my love, we'll be sleeping here until I'm able to get a new house for us.
Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom.
Thank you for your understanding. Thank you. Let me open the shop.
Breaking news, my friends! I bring latest breaking news in the city. You know me now. Latest, if it's not latest, it's not my doing. Breaking what? News, latest in town. I don't bring hot gist. As the hot now they serve am. Ask me wetin happen. Ask me wetin happen again.
Afoma, wetin happen.
Church have what? Close. If I say church have, you say close. Church have. Make her go.
No.
Church have
close.
Good. They don't push your friend come off us bars.
Which of my friend?
They have chased your friend out of husband house. How many friends you get to their husband house? Outside of husband house, you no get husband again. Ask me how they talk like this now. She's husbandless. She's roaming the streets. You no get man again.
It's a lie.
Which one be a lie? I don't bring lie just can't give you before. What do you mean by it's a lie? I said they don't pursue your friend come up for husband house.
Wait, what happened?
Anyways, let me give you premium gist because you know me. I bring latest, hot. So it was her neighbor. Her neighbor came to my house.
Okay.
So he was not telling everybody in the neighborhood. You know that one too. He likes story, but just that I still senior am sha. So he was not telling her that I didn't my husband. Did not only catch her sleeping with Gabriel. She's pregnant for Gabriel too. That is end. Ijide cannot carry belly. Shakara do end. Yes, so it have end. She's pregnant.
Njideka.
For a married man.
No, this is not good.
But when I was saying it, that people say no, Afoma is a jealous goat. I'm too jealous. Why am I doing this? When I was saying, what were you saying? When I was saying she was sleeping with the man, you say no, she cannot do it. She's somebody's wife. She's somebody's husband. What did I say? Result have shown.
Okay.
She's pregnant.
This is not good.
As this right now, she does not have a husband. She does not have a home. She's roaming around, crying.
So where will she go to?
How will I know? No, how will I know now? I'll be refugee camp. How will I know?
Try.
My dear, this gist now very hot. So you know what you do for me? Give me cold water.
Wait, Afaba. I know that you like gist on a normal day, but are you sure of what you're saying now? Sorry.
As what now?
No, I'm very sorry.
No, as what now? I dey lie. You dey call me liar?
No, not at all. Not at all. No vex.
Give me cold water.
Njideka. Hey! You worry, you bring money come.
This juice will bring, no. You know pass money.
Don't worry. What is life?
Very cold water. Because this juice is hot. So I need something cold to step down.
You know, our husband had 3 wives and 18 children in all. And each of us gave him 6 children. He later brought you in and said that one of his concubines gave birth to you and he must raise you in this compound.
I know.
Good. And you know how we fought you that you are not going to be raised in this compound. But your father insisted that you must be raised here.
Yes, Mama. I know everything.
And he was the only person that shared bond and affection with you when he was alive. Now that he's dead, I advise that you should go back to your mother. Go back to where you belong. Because there is no vacancy for you here.
Mama, but this is my father's house. I'm his daughter. Whether he's dead or alive, I should be a part of this family. He's my father.
I can see that you want to prove stubborn. There is no problem. You can stay. Whatever you see, you take it fully well.
Mama, please don't sound like this. I beg you. I have always taken you as a mother all my life. And I expect you to see me as your daughter in return. Whether my father is alive or dead, it should not tear us apart.
I am not your mother. Yes, I already have 6 children. We are many here. There is no vacancy for you to be here. We don't need a stranger.
Stranger?
Anyone? Yes, natural.
Mama Muanka, stranger.
Oh, yeah.
Muanjideka. Mama, I'm not a stranger. This is my father's house, Mama. I am his daughter. His blood is flowing through my veins.
I'd advise you go to your mother. If you insist, bring her here to come and fight for your rights.
Mama, because Mama, because where do you want me? Mama, please. Where do you want me to? This is my father's house.
Okay. I can see you're proving to be stubborn. There is no problem. Stay till you see what you want. Okay?
All my life, I have always seen you as my mother. I've known you as my mother. Please, Mom. I don't have any other place to go to. This is where I have always called home. I have known here to be home. My mother is dead. If you send me out of this house, I don't have any place to go to. Please, Mama, I beg you. Even if it means me to be a slave in my father's house, I will. I have been the one running errands in this house. I don't mind to continue running errands in as much as I have a roof over my head and food on my table. Please, I beg you, Mama, go.
If you're wise, you should know that we the wives are already fighting each other. That alone should have made you find your path. But no. You're just
proving stupid and unreasonable. Don't go. Stay till our sons return from their different destinations. That is when you know what you've done to yourself.
Mama, please, I Mama.
Hello. Hello. Hey! Hey! Come on. Come out. Come out back there. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Huh?
Good morning, sir. Sorry, last night I didn't have a way to sleep. So that's why I slept here.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
so this place now looks like a mad person's house.
No, okay, I'm not
Where
mad.
You come and sleep.
I'm not mad.
You're not mad.
Sorry, I'm leaving.
Bring out your bag. Come here. Come here. You said you're not mad.
Sir?
You're not mad.
No.
So who are you and where are you from?
My
Speak up.
My name is Njideka. I'm the daughter of Mazi Okeke Ochendu. I'm from Umipa Kindred.
Who is your father?
Okeke Ochendu.
You don't know who your father is?
I said Okeke Ochendu. That's my
So
father.
what happened to you? Why are you sleeping here?
I didn't have anywhere to go to.
You ran away from your house?
Yes, because my stepmother and my stepsister and my brothers do not want me in my father's compound. I learned they wanted to kill me, so I had to run away. I had to run away that night.
They wanted to kill you?
Yes.
So you're not mad?
Sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is where I live. I inherited this house from my father. So henceforth, you'll be staying here. With time, I would help speak to your family so we can resolve the problems you have with them.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
The truth is that I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back to that house again. It is better for me to live in a danger and be alive. And for me to stay with my family and die. I don't want to go back there.
I understand. You're not going to die. You're not going to die, okay? So, make yourself comfortable. With time, we're going to come up with a strategy on how to reach out to your family and resolve the problem, okay?
Thank you.
Let me show you to the room. Come with your bag. Bathroom. Bring your things. Njideka. I want to express myself to you. I want to tell you how I feel about you. I have come to realize that I am in love with you. And sometimes I go on my knees to thank God for bringing you my way. Njideka, for some time now I've been observing you. You're a very good girl. You are a wife material. You are so respectful and humble. And sometimes I want to believe it is God that brought you my way. Because meeting you is not an accident. There's a reason for everything in life. And I also want to believe that the reason why you came into my life is to be my wife. So to cut a long story short, I have decided to meet your people. Take me to your people. I want to declare my intention to you. I want to tell them that I love you so much. And I want you to be the mother of my children. I'm ready to take good care of you. I'm ready to protect you. And I'm ready to love you like a man should love his wife. Please. Pico. I want to love you like a husband should love his wife. Pico. Say yes.
Not work today.
That stupid man I work for, God will punish him. God will punish him. God Almighty will punish him.
Oh, Bim, calm down now. God will punish you. What happened?
People are so wicked. How can people... That man is so heartless, so wicked.
Oh, okay.
His heart is evil.
Okay, give me. What happened? Did somebody die?
So I got to work today. I went to the garage where we usually park the lorry. I wanted to pick it up. I didn't see it again. I started asking questions. Where's the lorry? Because I know I left it there yesterday. Somebody now came and told me that, that he saw my boss, that he came with someone else and they drove out together. I said, I don't understand. Who drove the car? He said someone else drove the car and my boss sat in front. So I called my boss on the phone and confronted him. Do you know what that bastard told me?
What did he say?
That I'm a very lazy man. I'm a very, very lazy man. That I should learn how to be productive. Njideka, I have never disobeyed that man for one day. I have never gone to work late. I always resume very early in the morning. And he treated me this way. God will punish him.
Okay. Honey, just calm down. But let me ask. Because I'm confused. You two had issues before.
Well, I don't have any problem with him. That's what I'm telling you. I have never disobeyed him before. I have never gone to work late. So where are all of these allegations coming from? So what does he want me to do now? I have a family to take care of. How does he expect me?
No, it's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
He should have told me, okay, fine. He should have told me that, I want to get someone else. You're not fit for the job. At least courtesy. Let me know now.
You want to have BP? There's no problem. See, there's a saying that when one door closes, another one will open. You don't know what God has in stock for you. It's okay. Sorry. You said you wanted to drink water. Don't worry, I'll bring food as well so that you eat. Smile, this is money, no. Kita akabo tutu.
Very useless human being.
It's okay, I'm coming.
Very useless human being. Very stupid.
This is totally unacceptable. I was doing very fine. I was managing my vulcanizer business. I was fine fixing tires for people. This man just appeared from nowhere and forced me to follow him. That he had a better job for me. I started working for this man. I was so obedient. I was very, very diligent. I never disobeyed him for one day. This man just fired me without any prior notice. This man just took away my livelihood. Now, how do I take care of my family? What do I do? How do I pay my son's school fees? What kind of wickedness is this?
Honey, can you calm down? Please. I have told you this is not the end of the world. As for what you are going to eat, I can provide until you get a new job. I'm very sure it is something I can do. I'm up to the task. Whatever thing I get from working on people's farm, it will sustain us to feed. Stop thinking. See, I know that a better job will come. A better job, the one that will be better than this one you just lost. God will give you another job.
Chideka, you don't understand.
I understand what you're saying.
Listen, he should have at least told me that he wants to employ someone else.
It doesn't matter.
So that I'll have time to look for something else to do.
No, it doesn't matter.
You can't just take people unawares.
Did you write application to get the job? You did not now. So just calm down. Everything will be better. See, Obi. I love you. Even in your joblessness, I love you so much. And I'm sure our son loves you too. So please, just be happy. Obi, please. Even in your joblessness, I love you so much. And our son loves you too. So please, I beg you, be happy for us, oh? Oh no. The question was not working. It's late. No, let's go inside, Come, let me go and treat you like a king that you are. Stop getting angry. We are now. Obim, sorry. Let's go. Come, I want to show you something.
What do you want to
show?
Show me here.
Something I've been
Go see my bag. Go see my bag.
I need to show you and be telling you.
What do you want to show me?
Yeah, come, let's go.
What do you want to show?
The mama. Yeah, no,
you better show me that.
I will. You like it?
Very delicious.
Because you know your wife is a good cook.
The soup is really sweet.
I made it like that because I know you're eating. Otokano.
Well, the meat is very big.
Ew.
My love. I'm very proud of you. Do you know that?
I know.
I keep thanking God Almighty for bringing you my way. Okay. I lost my job. I have not been able to provide for my family. But what have you done? You have been supporting me. This is my point exactly. Some women out there will see this as an opportunity to disrespect their husbands.
Hey.
But look at what you have done. You feed me, you feed Chimobi, you cook for us regularly. God.
Obim.
You're always very humble and respectful. How do I thank you?
Obim, you don't need to thank me. Why are you thanking me? We are in this together. You're my husband. I am your wife. We are one. Thanking me is like thanking yourself for doing something that you're ought.
What would I have done without you by my side?
Hi.
If God didn't bring you my way, what would I have done?
Obim.
Huh?
You said other women. I am not other women. I am Njideka. Your own Njideka. The Njideka that you married. Don't need to thank me. Oh, let's eat our food.
I love you. Come.
I love you so.
I'm surprised. Like, you're totally different.
Let's eat before
you were raised well.
That was why you married me.
Chukugozegi.
I added plenty meat too.
I'm seeing it. It's so good. Soup is so sweet.
I know you like it. That was why I made it like that.
Hey,
Nee. What's the excitement about?
Good news. That's because I said good news.
What good news?
Obim.
You know, I've been thinking. The farming season is almost coming to an end. Nature was easy. And I'm like, how will my family feed? Where do I get money to feed my husband and my son? Because once this farming season comes to an end, who will pay me? Who will give me jobs?
Njideka. I've been thinking in the same direction. I slept off. I was here thinking, what do I do?
No, think
I slept off.
Don't think again. Think is enough because God has smiled on us. Do you know why we were busy thinking? God was also thinking, or God is also thinking about us. Now, one step ahead of us.
What do you mean?
Obim.
Mm-hmm.
Obim.
Mm-hmm.
I was passing by Nzegate compound. And then I saw the signpost on his gates that says he needs a help. Somebody that can come and be running errands and be cleaning for him. I did not wait to come back home and discuss it with you. I said, let me apply immediately before somebody else takes the job. Obim, I went there and I told the man that I can do the job. He said no, that he wants a single girl, that he doesn't want a married woman. I was able to convince him. I told him, I said, there is nothing a single girl will do for you that me, Njideka, cannot do. I told him, I said, I can do it. If any kind of work, I will do it. That was how he gave me the job.
He gave you the job?
Yes.
Wait, is it the same as Mr. Gabriel? The one who is friends with politicians?
Obimi Machanu now. He is the same person. It's good news, can't you see?
So did he tell you how much he'll be paying you?
Yes, but the money is not much. Money malugonu chacha kachalem. I just said I should be doing that one as a side hustle. Because it gives me time to go to other people's house to do other menial jobs for them. If I go there in the morning, whatever thing he wants me to do for him, I will do. If it's cleaning, sweeping, I will do it. By noon, I will be done. So, I just know that there's a salary coming out from that place at the end of the month. He even gives me time to go and pick my son back from school. So, I'm so happy. This is good news. Why is your face like that? Are you not happy?
I'm happy. You have done well. Yeah? Come. Thank you.
What is this thing I'm hearing about you and your husband?
I don't understand. What did you hear? I mean, you literally stopped me because you want to ask me this insensitive question. So a young girl like you can't mind your business. I beg you in the name of whatever thing you hold so there. Don't ever stop me from this nonsense again. Learn to mind your business.
Jide, so you have decided to disgrace the entire womanhood in this village? That you now go about sleeping with men because of money? Okay, now that your husband has sent you packing from his house, you're now perching around like a bird without nest.
In all honesty, if I tell you that I have your time, then I'm lying. Because if I actually have your time, I would have devoured you. Like I would have torn you apart. A single girl like you will not mind your business. Try this rubbish next time and see what I will do to you. Excuse me.
Hey! Ashawo! Ex-married woman without shame. Akuna. God forbid. Ashawo kobo.
Mom, I don't want you to go, please. I don't want you to go. Please.
I've been here for more than 3 days. What do you want? What do you want?
I can't get enough of you. Ha! Please, don't go. Please.
Am I your wife?
Please don't go. Just stay with me.
Okay. No problem, I will stay. Under one condition.
What is it?
You buy me a car.
A car?
Yes.
I will buy you a car. What type of car do you want?
You buy it?
Yes, I will.
Anyone, any kind of car is okay.
Okay, do you want Jeep or car?
Anyone is fine.
Okay, let me call my party member who is a car dealer so that he can send some sample, you make choice.
No, don't worry. They'll just send me the money. I'll go to a car stand. I'll pick it, the car I like.
Okay, you prefer that?
Yes, I like that one.
How much? How much do you want?
Like 5 or 6 million. Anyone is fine.
Okay, my app is having problem. I'll have to go to the bank and do the transfer. I cannot do it. So let me go inside and have my bath and prepare and go to the bank. I'm coming.
Why is he acting so stupid? I didn't ask Baba to do this one. I only said I want him to be loyal to me. Why is he doing like a goat? If he continue like this, I'll be in trouble. I cannot continue like this. No, Baba has to check this thing. I can't do it.
Morning. Gosh. I told her I would do it. Okay. Maybe she has gone to their house. It's alright. Let me go to the bank. Then from there, I'll go to the house. Hey, 1 minute. Hey, 1 minute.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to flex my life. Allow me to enjoy myself. I got the money and I like enjoyment. Call me Nzega. Call me Nzega. My money now your own. Your money now my own. Don't say yes to me, yo. Anything you want, I go.
Oh, who?
Mommy.
Who now?
Mommy now.
Who is your mom in there?
You don't know my mommy? Eh? Why are you behaving as you don't know her? Where is my mommy?
Nze, are you okay?
No, I can't be alright. You know I can't be alright until I find her. My mommy, I went to her house. They said she went out. My mommy, I went to her house. They said she went out. And the only place she can be is here. Where is she?
Afoma.
Afoma, yes. My mommy now.
No, I haven't seen her yet.
Oh, I'm looking for her. I want to tell her that the money she said I should pay into her account, I have done that, and I want to tell her about that. Where is she now?
She's not here. She's not. I've not seen her.
Oh.
Are you okay?
I can't be alright now until I see her. I can't be alright.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
Nze. Wait, is this man running mad or what? I hope it's not. Afoma, no now. Ha!
The agreement. What did Baba do now? Why is he behaving like a mad person?
No, he has to change it too. I did not, this was not what I told him. Hello? Hello? Why you ask you, what's the problem? Is there a problem? I went to my maternal home. What is the problem? Why is he looking for me? I did not, what do you mean by, I did not do anything. What did he say? Did he say anything? No, I did not, what can I do? I did not do anything. Ha! Hello? Hey! What kind of wala is this? Ha! Hey! I did not do anything.
My son, there's problem. There's serious problem. As it is right now, that man, I don't know, maybe that charm that we did, that it's like it's too strong for his head because he's behaving like someone that is mad. The worst part is he's going around the village now mentioning my name, saying things that will put me in trouble. Please help me. I don't know if there is a way we can bring him back to normal. I don't want again. Just turn into a normal human being. Let him just leave me alone, please.
Did you follow my instructions to the letter?
Yes, I did. I did everything you told me to do. Exactly. Yes.
You are not sure?
Very sure.
You are not sure?
I am very sure. I did what you asked me to do. I did it. Yes.
So, what was my instruction?
You said that she...
No, go. I'll go see me. Yeah. Now, take this. Rub the content of that magic cream on your private parts before and after sleeping with you. And all your wish shall be granted. Remember, do not forget. Remember and do not forget. Rub it before and after sleeping with him. There is a reason for that.
You mean that's all I need to do? And you'll be my slave?
As long as you play by the rule, he shall always be your slave.
That is very simple. You're sure it's going to work? That is all?
That is all, my dear.
I will come and share appreciation once it works. Thank you. Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
Arabunagun never fails.
Let me go. Thank you so much, wise one. I used it before sleeping with him. And then you said after I should... Oh, okay. I was supposed to use it after. Hey! Okay, I forgot. I don't know how I forgot. I thought I did it.
See your life?
It was a mistake. Hey.
You hear yourself talk. Despite my warning and instructions, you went and you were carried away.
It was a mistake. I thought I did it though.
You have brought condemnation upon yourself.
Please, help me to ask. Maybe there's something we can do to reverse it. There's something, right? There's
nothing I can do.
It's not possible now. There's a solution for every problem, please.
There's no solution to this. In fact, more calamities are with you.
Ha! Help me to ask them. Just talk to one of them. They know, they will tell you something.
Listen to me. No amount of pleading that can stop this calamity that has befallen you already.
Ha!
And more will befall you.
You did not tell me this type. Like you did not tell me before. Maybe if you had told me, I'll remember. You did not tell me. Please just help me to ask. I don't know. Hey.
Your carelessness has landed into this.
Hey.
Now leave my presence.
Please now, wise one, just help me to talk to them.
Go and pay for your own carelessness.
They will tell you something. I'm sure there's something.
Go!
Please. Help me to ask. Please.
Leave my presence. Go and pay for your own carelessness.
Please.
Go!
analyze. What kind of stupid mistake is this? But because of what? Somebody's husband? What kind of life is... But first, let me show you see me away because they cannot come here. Hey, go forbid. Let them be giving the stories. It's not me. God forbid, it's not me. Oh, Jesus Christ. You come outside now.
What is wrong with all these people? Are you all crazy? How can you say I'm mad? Is that how mad people behave? Huh? Lose this thing out of my hand, though. Lose it now. Because if I get out of this, I am not going to spare any of you. Woman, tell them to lose this thing out of my hand.
Gabriel, if you say you are not insane, how then are you behaving the way you are? Huh?
I only ask you to take me to my baby. More Memo. I want to see more Memo. That's what I asked you to do for me.
This is your wife here. Who else are you looking for?
Young man, are you insane? Eh? This is not my more Memo. Eh? I want to see more Memo. My baby. Lose my hand, please. I want to see more Memo.
Gabriel, so you're coming back to the village for politics? This is where you landed yourself. By following small girls up and down. Just look at your life.
Take me to more Memo. I want to see my baby now. Take me to more Memo.
Gabriel, what is her name? Your mom Memo. What's her name? Yes.
If I tell you, are you going to take me to her?
Of course I will. Sure.
Her name is Afoma.
Afoma?
Yes, take me to her now. Please. Mommy, Mo. Oh yeah, now lose me now and take me to her now.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Wako.
Yes, that's my name.
Good. We are looking for a former. We went to her place, but we couldn't find her. Everybody says you are her closest friend. And you are the only person that can tell us of her whereabouts.
She's my friend, Sha. Any problem?
Yes, that's a big problem. Your friend, Afoma, used love potion on my husband. And I'm very sure that you are aware of their relationship. I am Nze Gabriel's wife. I need you to provide your friend right now so she can come and undo what she did to my husband.
Well, Ma, Afoma is my friend, yes. But I'm not aware of the relationship.
You lie!
Where is she? Where can we find her?
Where is she?
The last time I spoke to her was over the phone. She said she was at her maternal's place. I haven't been able to reach out to her since then.
Right. Let me have her phone number. Her phone number, give it to me right now. Give it already!
Hey! His wife. Huh? If this woman knows how many people her husband is sleeping with. Afoma, you're very selfish. This national cake that everybody's collecting their portion. You reach your turn, you bring juju. And Mama is not even collecting.
Madam, what is the next step now?
I'm taking my husband to the city. I'll take him there to see the psychiatrist.
Madam, I don't think this is a medical problem. It's a spiritual problem and must be tackled spiritually.
Whether spiritually or medical, I am taking my husband to the city. I'm going to lock up this village house. He's not going to stay here anymore. I'll take him to the city and I'll handle his case whichever way I deem fit. He's my husband. I have to take him. Yes.
Digba, is this you? How far? How far now? Also, how are you? I'm good. What are you doing here? Are you not following your guy for his loggy business?
The man sacked me.
He sacked you?
He sacked me. I had to come back to my normal work.
When did this happen?
A few months ago. I had to come back to my vulcanizer business.
Man, so sorry, bro. But it's better off. It's better if you're doing something. I mean, an idle man is a devil's workshop. I mean, you need so much money to take care of your fend for your family. So sorry, bro. Meanwhile, what about your wife? Njideka and your son, Chimobi?
Njideka and I were no longer together. She left.
I don't understand. Was there a problem?
No, so please, it's a story for another day, please. Alright?
You know, we both have come a long way. We are friends. You can confide in me, whatever it is. Tell me, what is the problem?
Also, it's a long story. Please.
You can still shut it and tell me
I'll talk. I'm busy now. Can you not see? I'm busy. I'll talk to you later.
I insist, bro. I insist. Let's talk about it. In all honesty and sincerity, this may not really go down well with you, but I think you have a portion of blame in this whole story. Look at you, Digba. How can you allow your wife commit such atrocity? All because of money? When did you become this girl's spirit?
No, sir, I was confused. I was afraid I was going to lose my son. I didn't want him to die. I wasn't thinking straight.
It's not entirely her fault. Yes.
You don't understand the point, do you?
What point?
She would have refused. Even when I insisted, she would have refused.
If this is the only reason you sent that woman packing, I strongly suggest you go and bring her back to your house.
You don't understand what's going on. So she's pregnant for him. She's pregnant for him. She is pregnant for him. I tried to get her to get rid of the child, but she refused. And I can't father another man's child under my roof. It doesn't make sense. It's an abomination. I can't even touch her, like she irritates me.
Digba, I still suggest you go and bring back your wife. I mean, she's your wife. I mean, why is there wrong if you can't forgive her? She's still your wife.
I'm sorry, that's not possible. So I can't take her back.
On a lighter note, I heard there's a girl bro who has been sleeping around with all the village girls, both married and unmarried. One of the girls used love potion on him and the effect made him mad. As I speak with you now, he's raving mad.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. His wife came with some men and they took him to the city in chains.
Serves him right. If that's the punishment for sleeping with my wife, then so be it. He's going to die in that madness. He deserves to die.
Woman, what brings you to the shrine of Arabnak?
Wise one. My husband has been living in this village ever since he got a political appointment to represent his son. My husband now saw that as an avenue to desecrate our marriage by sleeping with everything and anything on the skirt. I've been receiving the news on how girls and women, married and unmarried, visit my village house, trooping in and out on a daily basis, as if that was not enough. One of the miscreant girlfriend have the guts, the effrontery to give my husband love potion in order for him to forget his children and even I, his wife. But instead, the love potion made my husband mad.
Hey!
Wise one, I have taken my husband to every hospital I know, even psychiatrics. To no avail. I was told that his case is not medical, that it's more of spiritual. That I should bring him back to the village. Perhaps I might be lucky to meet the very dibia that prepared the love charm.
Woman,
Wise one.
why are you exactly here? What do you want?
Wise one, I want to ask, are you the one that prepared that love charm for that girl she used on my husband? So that you can help me and undo what you did and set my husband free.
Woman,
Wise one.
you are asking for the impossible. Go and face your cross.
In that case, wise one, I want you to make that girl mad too.
Aicho.
Or venture.
Do you know the girl in question?
Not at all.
Then it won't work.
Wise one. Wise one. In that case, I want every girl or woman, married or unmarried, that my husband has ever cheated me with, even if there are 1 million of them, I want them all to run mad. Let them all run mad. That is the only way to get back to the said girl.
Anyanwụ na-agbala elu naanị ikuku na mmili nụ na onum. Asụkwana ebe belu ugo belu nke si bịa bene nkukwu anya. Obele ye gbu mgbu onwe. Asim joko mialụ nwunye edim. Ma nwunye edim sila nke ma mikọrọ. Nya na mbambe afụkwa na eva lili. Asụkwana mo
If I am Mamalea, Iji not for on your fepu. Onekite onekpunkuchi, what I listen and near la rola, wala de Koreananya. So therefore, I decree today that as many as they are that slept with my husband behind my back, therefore I decree any woman, young or old, fair or dark, married or single, that has ever slept with my husband, as I break this 7 egg, wherever you are, go mad instantly. So shall it be.
Plus 10 minus y equal to what? You did not buy the picnic with the water. I asked you to buy the picnic. No, I will not follow you. You want me to follow you? Okay.
How are you now?
I'm fine though. Guess what?
What is it?
You know Chinasa, Mama Ife's daughter.
I know her.
She's currently running mad as we speak.
Boyfriend. She's not the only one though. A lot of girls in our village now, some married women, are now running mad. It looks like there's an outbreak of madness in this village now.
Are you serious?
Yes now.
I can count like 3 people you know aside from Chinasa who are currently running mad and their families are running helter-skelter for them for help.
So, what is now the cause?
My dear, rumor has it that most of them have been sleeping with the girl for money. So, when the wife came back from the city, he took him back. When he started displaying symptoms of madness, it was later discovered that one of his side chicks in this video gave him overdose love potion that's making him run mad.
Jehovah Nissi.
I'm telling you. So, since the woman did not know the particular girl, out of revenge, he sent madness all the girls that have slept with her husband.
Hey!
Like this now, almost everybody in this village are now running mad. The man is a community dick. He was busy counting cents on all the girls in this community.
Are you sure of what you just told me?
Which one am I sure? The evidence is clear. It's very true.
Hey! Wahala be like bicycle. You know they had to start. Hey! So, that's by the way. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market, my dear.
Alright,
we'll see you later. Bye.
See you, bye.
Bigba, there is trouble. There is trouble.
What?
You just leave this in your doing. Just leave this in your doing.
Calm down. What is it?
A lot of women are running mad in this community as we speak. There's an outbreak of madness in this community now.
What do you mean outbreak of madness? What do you mean?
Where's the wife and your son? Answer me that. Where's the and your son?
So you're shouting. I told you they don't live with me anymore.
You need to go and check up on them now. Like now.
Why?
Look, fine.
What?
Nzegep's wife took him to the city for treatment. Every treatment proved abortive. And then she had to resort to revenge. She angrily sent madness to any woman who has ever slept with her husband at her back, whether married or married. As I speak with you now, a lot of women in this community are running mad. Including Chidansa, that you know.
Is this some type of a joke?
This is no joke, bro. What are you still doing here? Go and check up on your wife and your son. You need to go now. Hurry up! Just go and check up on them, oh! Who knows if Chioma, my wife, is not even among them?
You're very smart boy. The bio. Chimobi. Chimobi!
I'm here to do? Are you here to check on your son? Or you have come to confirm if I have gone mad? Newsflash, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am very, very mentally stable. You can see it for yourself.
All the women who slept with him, they have all gone mad.
Dimpa, that is because God has vindicated me. That is what you want for me. I mean, your wish is for you to see me go mad in this village. But my God has disappointed you.
Njideka, Mr. Gabriel gave you money. What was the money for? He gave you extra money to open up the shop. Was that not a transaction? Eh? If he did not sleep with you, why did he give you money to open up the shop? Why? No, answer me. How did you get money to open up this shop?
But you are a foolish man. You are so foolish. You are very foolish without any sense of reasoning.
But there's no problem. I will explain to you how everything happened. Timba. Mama, Kenny, what is it?
There comes a time in a man's life when he is faced with a choice of making decisions that aligns with his reality. Njideka, we can't let Chimaobi die. There has to be something we must do to save his life.
Something we must do? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Mr. Gabriel.
What?
You heard me right.
Mr. Gabriel. Wait. Are you insinuating that your wife should go and sleep with another man for the sake of money? Or if you need go?
Njideka, as it stands now, we do not have a choice to...
Will if any make any sin? You see me be good. Are you mad? Of course I have a choice. Oh yes! I have chosen my dignity as a woman over my son's life. There is no way I am going to sell my dignity. If it means that my son is going to die, then let him die. Okay,
now listen to me good. Woman. Listen good, woman. I am your husband. You must obey my instructions. And if you as much as fail to do what I have asked you to do, and Chimaobi, our son, dies in the process, consider this marriage dissolved. And until I die and go to my grave, I will never forgive you. You know where to find me if you get the money.
There's no problem. And I'm Meme. Because I cannot lose my husband and my son at the same time. There is no way I can lose them. Losing my husband is like losing my home. He is the reason I have a roof over my head. He is the reason I'm happy. He is the reason I'm alive. So Adira, I will do it. It will be for your sake. I will do it.
Njideka, I know you will come back. I know. Just come. I've been waiting for you. My daughter, why are you crying? Don't cry, my baby. Don't cry. I've been waiting for you here. Don't cry. Eh? Don't cry. Wipe your tears. Yeah, yes. The problem is going to be solved. I'll give you the money. Eh?
Can I ask you a question?
Question? Why not? Just ask any question.
How many children do you have?
Children? I have 4 children. 2 handsome boys and 2 beautiful girls. Why do you ask?
Let us assume there is a fire outbreak in this house. And that particular fire is coming from the back door. And you have all of your 4 children in this living room. And they're screaming and shouting for help. And the only exit to this fire is this door right here. And while your children are screaming, your wife ran in and then find out that this particular door is being locked from outside. And there is a man that is standing and holding the keys to this door. And your wife pleaded with this man to open the door. And this man refused. And this man says he was not going to open that door. That if your wife truly loves her children, she will go through that same back door where the fire is coming from. She will have to sustain injuries. She will have to take the burns from the fire, the wound, everything that comes with that fire. She will take them all. If you finally show up as a man, what will you do to that man?
I will first of all kill the man, collect the key and save my children. Why should he give my wife such a condition? What a question.
You will kill the man.
Instantly.
But God has not killed you. I mean, here I am, going through that same fire as a mother whose child is dying, just to save the life of my only child. God has not killed you.
And say, I will give you what you want. That which you have asked for. I will give you what you want.
No.
Let me give you what you want. That is what you want.
No, don't do that. Please, don't do that. I don't believe it. Please. Please, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down. It's all right. You see, no woman has ever spoken to me with such a wisdom in my entire life. My husband doesn't know how blessed he is to have such a wonderful wife. I am not only going to give you the money, I will also give you more to start up any business of your choice so that you can help your family.
God bless you. God bless you, Chukwuka.
It's okay. Sit down. You see, just call your account number. I am going to transfer the sum of 2.5 million naira. Use 1.5 million for the operation and use 1 million to start any business of your choice.
Hey. Oh, God bless you. Thank you.
It's okay.
So you see, I did not sleep with him. Yes. In my mind of justice, yes, I slept with him the moment I accepted to go back to that house. The moment I stepped my foot into Nzegabe's house, I slept with him. But in reality, I did not. That was why I did not even bother myself explaining anything to you. I did not sleep with him. And that was why I was very certain that this child belongs to you and not Nzegabe, because I did not sleep with him.
Jideka, you didn't have sex with him? Eh? Jideka, talk to me now. You didn't sleep with him? Hey!
Don't. Move your hand.
Jideka, please forgive me. Forgive me. I'm so ashamed of myself, please. I was confused. I was going mad. I was going crazy. I didn't know what came over me. I was jealous. I was depressed. I made the wrong decision. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
That's
please,
no
Biko.
I've heard you.
Biko.
I've heard you.
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please. I didn't mean to do all of that. It didn't come from my heart. It was just me being stupid. I was under pressure. Please.
It's okay now. I just said I have forgiven you. There's no point apologizing. I've forgiven you.
You have?
Yes, I have forgiven you.
Just like that? Thank you very much, my wife.
It's okay. It's okay.
Huh?
I have forgiven you. But you see this marriage? We have ended it. There's nothing like marriage between you and I. There's no more marriage. Just go on your own. Let me go on my own.
Jideka, you can't do this to me.
I said, don't touch me. Shift.
Jideka, you can't do this to me now. You can't do this to me. You have to forgive me. You have to put yourself in my shoes to know how I felt at that time.
Did you put yourself in my own shoes?
You don't understand. I was going crazy. I was going mad.
I was going insane. My brain wasn't working well. I couldn't believe someone would take my wife away from me.
Dimba,
huh?
Please, you have broken every bond that binds us together. Alright? Once your son is of age, I will return him back to you. That's if he wants to stay with you. But you see this one in my womb. In as much as you have rejected him, you will never ever set your eyes on him. You will never.
You can't take a decision like this.
Leave my shop.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You want to fall me?
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Leave my shop.
I'm sorry. Stand up now. I'm sorry, please. Forgive me, please.
Since you're here, no customer has come to my shop. Start going. Bini. Go. Leave my shop now. Did you rent this shop for me? Go. Please. Just go. Leave my shop! Gaba, go! Get out from my shop. Onye Zuzu. Stupid man! You came to ruin my day. It will not work for you. Rubbish. You're apologizing. After pushing me into doing something. Get out from my shop! I will show you. Just go. Get out.
Please,
leave my shop!
Please, I'm sorry.
Leave my shop.
I'm sorry.
Just go. POS out. You're making me shout. You know my condition. Leave my shop.
I'm sorry.
What?
I'm sorry.
Get out. Oh, just leave my shop. But just go. Carry your go. Leave. Okay, is it my fault? When you were maltreating me, you don't know. Hey. Chimabi, get water. Come. Get me water to drink. You will bring water for me. Sikwana shop, Chineka Bogoku. Sikwana shop, Chineka Bogoku. Get out from my shop. I can see that you are the weapon that is fashioned against me in this shop. You want me to lose my baby? Don't get water to go and bring my slippers for me. Get water, lose slippers. If you touch my son, if you touch him, bring my slipper. Hey, leave my slipper, leave me alone, John. Rubbish. If you let me, Kuleba, don't come close to my shop again before you bring back buckets for me.
Finally, God has vindicated so. Upon all the rumors going around the village, God still showed up for her. Which now? The one that was working as a cleaner for Nzegebe.
Oh, is it the one they said that she slept with for 2.5 million naira for his son's treatment?
Exactly, she's the one.
Hey, yeah.
She's the one.
Fine,
do you know that the husband even sent her packing? Yes, now, because of the rumor, she was even pleading with the husband that she did not do it. But the man did not believe her. He was like, how can a man give her such amount of money without sleeping with her?
Chai. Yeah.
Hi. God finally vindicated this woman. Do you know that if not for the saga, this madness saga, the truth wouldn't have been known. We wouldn't have known her.
Thank God.
Thank God God showed her mercy. God just vindicated this woman. Hey. Rumor has it that the husband is begging her currently to come back, but she said no.
If I were her, I would not even listen to that.
Exactly.
That stupid man.
Exactly.
He's a foolish man. You don't know. Please, let's be going now, beg.
How are you doing today?
Very well, Nonso.
Look, I came to see you. I need you to forgive him. Forgive him and go back to him. He's still your husband. Please.
Nonso, I have forgiven him long ago. I have forgiven him, but I hold nothing against him. But you see, going back to that marriage, it is one thing I will never do. Not now. Not even later. I won't go back to him. Did you know what that guy made me go through? Do you know the trauma I went through? That man made me do something I would never ever imagine in my life. Still, he turned his back and used it against me. And you want me to go back to that marriage? I will not go back. He did it to the point of sending me out of his house, knowing fully well I don't have any other place to go to.
Chai.
You said I should come back. I'm sorry, I can't go back to that marriage. I'm not going back.
Ne, calm down. See, if I say I don't know how you feel right now, then I'm a terrible liar. I know exactly how you feel. And I know you're hurting. But please, do not make any hasty decision. Think about your son Chimaobi. That boy will grow up and ask of his father. And your unborn baby, when he or she comes to life, what would you tell him?
Really? So Dimpa did not think about all of this before sending me out of his house? No, so happy can I go to Kubiko? I'm done. I'm not thinking about anything. You see this marriage, I don't want to.
Balo, oh, forgive him. See, he's my very good friend. As I see him, I see a repentant man. Please, just forgive him, okay? Fine, you're an adult. I know you have the right to make the decision. But I want to advise you and also plead. Do not take any hasty decision that will affect you tomorrow. Please, just think about it. I know you're very angry right now, you're burning. But please, when you go home, just think about what I told you. Think. He's still your husband.
Also,
and he loves you.
Anugom, I've heard you. My mind is made up. There's no going back. Thank you.
How is Chimaobi?
He's very fine. He's doing well.
Alright, I'll be checking up on you sometime.
Thank you.
Just be safe.
Oh.
Yeah. Daddy? Bye.
Bye-bye.
is that? Hold on.